So we got Deere 650, I believe. First one down. Now this tree was hit by high winds and it snapped it in half. So that has to go. This one also got snapped in half. All right. I'm gonna go. I really don't want trees next to the pond. It's gonna be clay lined, not much clay, and I don't want it to pierce through the liner quickly. So I'll just keep the one behind the dozer. It looks a lot different now. No wonder I couldn't pull this out with a tractor. Man, that root's like 8-9 feet long. Alright guys, so the trees are removed, and this hole that you see here is what I dug out. Was the Kioti CK2610 25 or 26 horsepower tractor. It's not a dozer. It's not a dozer, but it did accomplish most of the design, I guess you want to say, or the layout. See, this material here is more sandy. That's the one I feel that if it's gonna leak, that's the material to to leak. Alright guys, so theoretically you want to put about 1 foot or 2 feet of clay in here, or put a lot of bentonite. You know, this soil requires about 3.5 to 4 pounds of bentonite per square foot, and on clay you gotta go about 1 foot or 2. So you know, hopefully 100 yards of clay and 4 tons of bentonite is good enough. Now the good thing about taking the dirt out from here is that he's actually compressing part of the dam there. This machine's probably about 23,000 pounds. Alright, so the hole is complete.